Oh.
When you work, it's something they...
Yeah, it's kind of weird, like, there's like a world over there. Yeah, somewhere around here. Alright.
Anything good?
I don't know.
Oh, the Wrangler. Oh, look. Is this the same one?
What? Yeah, that is. Give me that. Yeah, I want to see.
Oh, it's a different one.
This is a different one. Hold on.
Oh, it's 25 bucks.
Oh, cheaper. What is over here?
There's an F-150. How about the old classic? No.
Really? What even?
Let me go see the case.
Really? What even is this? A Porsche Boxster? I might take this. Yeah, they got like this whole BMW. And this whole.
Oh, look at the tank. Look at this.
What?
The plane is $100.
What's $100 really?
That plane. Oh, what's in here?
I don't know what's in there.
Is that a Ferrari?
I don't know.
I'm surprised he has this. Why is he carrying this?
What's that? I don't know what that is. Probably
I
some.
think he was on the other side of the map. Oh, these are plastic. What kind of car is that?
What is that? You give me that.
It's like some kind of concept car.
It's a Chevy.
Oh.
Here, Daddy.
Yeah,
Put it back. Let me see that. Let me see that. Motor Max. You like Motor Max?
Uh-huh. That's okay.
Look
That
at-
Ferrari's big. Jesus Christ. That thing is...
What is this? Okay, I don't know what that is.
Oh, this Ferrari's $50.
It is, because they don't make that.
Pole steel? Made in Italy. Oh.
Give me this one. Hot Wheels Ferrari F50.
But that's not a Maestro, that's a Hot Wheels.
No, it's a Hot Wheel.
No, close the case.
Wait, what is that up there?
Where?
It's a,
Oh, it's a trailer.
what is it? Oh, wait, you're missing the half side of the truck up there.
Oh, this one's heavy. Holy cow. It's from the post office.
What is this? What is this? Saline.
Yeah, it's a Saline.
Motor Max.
You don't like this BMW?
I don't know.
Oh, it's heavy.
It is. Oh, look. You'll play
Auto, look. Hey, compadre, look.
auto art. Wow, auto art.
I thought they don't make these anymore.
No. Is this auto art? This can't be auto art. Road signature. Auto art is rare.
Look, it's auto art.
Give me that. Let me see it.
It's nice. It's like a concept. Look, it has like fabric inside. Wow.
Really? Here, let me feel.
Wow, it's not...
I don't know if I want it. Oh, what's this? Cadillac. Japan. This thing is made in Japan.
Oh wow. Wow, it's $60.
Oh, wow. Okay. Still looking around here. What's this? S-Class. Chrysler. Ford.
Yep.
F1. What is this? Taxi? I don't like the taxi. And then he's got a...
What is this?
What is what?
Those are ATVs.
Look, Action City School Bus. He's actually got one. Look. A Hudson.
Wow.
No, it's a Ford. It's not a Hudson.
They're from Cars.
Okay, just realized this is just a Jeep. Oh, the doors are open. Real. No NASCAR's open. What's this? Celica? Really? Celica? What the heck even is this? Hands are all dirty from after this. Really? Chevy. Old Chevy. It's got a bunch of Porsches. Jeez, how many Porsches does this Porsche have? NASCARs. More NASCARs. Absolute more NASCARs. What's this? The BMW C4. Really? More NASCARs. How many NASCARs does this person even have? Ooh, Aston Martin, just like DBS. Really? Just a bunch of NASCAR. Jeep? What the heck is a Jeep doing here? Found a Jeep here. Look at the old taxi. And the Porsche. Alright, just gonna... Oh, what's over here? It's a... Audi. Ford. What's this? Whoa, what is this right here? Get this out of the way. What's this? Oh man, this is so heavy. It's gonna... Really? What is this? I wonder what's in here. Really? What do you even... It's heavy. This is really... Hot Wheels. I don't know what this is. McDonald's toy. Whoa, what is this? An Audi TT. Action City. I'm gonna put this back. this? New York City Taxi. Okay. Alright. What's in here? Special edition. Where's that at? Volkswagen. Chrysler. Alright. Guess we're going back now. Oh my gosh.
See those people?
Oh.
See those people out there? When you work, it's something they.
Yeah, it's kind of weird, like, there's like a world over there. Yeah. Somewhere around here. Alright.
Anything good?
I don't know.
Oh, the Wrangler. Oh, look. Is this the same one?
What? Yeah, that is. Give me that. Yeah, I want to see.
Oh, it's a different one.
This is a different one. Hold on.
Well, it's $25.
Oh, cheaper. Where's over here?
There's the next one, $50. How about the old classic? No.
Really? What even?
Let me go see the case.
Really? What even is this? A Porsche Boxster? I might take this.